Hey, this is Samantha here from Recipescom and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to reheat your favourite fries in the air fryer. The fries we're using today are leftovers from KFC, but you can use any fries that you like. As well as this, we have more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes over at Recipescom. From air fryer recipes to instant pot recipes to slow cooker recipes to soup maker recipes, plus bread maker recipes and many others. I recommend you head over there to check it out after watching this video and find your perfect recipe. So next on the agenda is some standard fries that you've previously cooked that you want to reheat in the air fryer. I'm using KFC fries because they're a little bit thicker than Mackie D's, so you'll be able to see how the cook time compares and see how you like them. For any fries that you are reheating in the air fryer, I recommend that you spread them out in the air fryer basket, give them a spray with extra virgin olive oil, and add any extra seasoning that you want to have with them, and then they are ready to air fry. So I'm going to start with a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 5 minutes, and then we can check on the fries and see if they need any longer. And we've baked. Let's check on these fries, shall we? And wow, these are absolutely lovely. There's no doubt these are reheated because they're absolutely so hot and touch. And the crisp on them is fantastic too. I would absolutely say that if you've got a thicker cut of fries or typical like steak chips, to give them a bit of 2 or 3 minutes longer, but when they're smaller fries like this, they really don't need long at all. And then you can reuse the containers that you originally had your fries in. The note, this is not McDonald's or KFC, and you don't have those amazing scrapers for it. So this is when I make an idiot out of myself. But who cares, because these are absolutely delicious French fries that you've reheated in the air fryer. And you can do what you like with them. You can season them up, you can add cheese, melt some cheese on them, and just enjoy. So these are reheated fries in the air fryer with a side of mayonnaise. Well, it's actually leftover mayonnaise from when they last had some fries, and it's just perfect for the kids to make use of the leftovers instead of you actually eating it yourself and getting fat off all their leftovers. Because let's face it, kids always leave half the plate because they get bored and they do something else, so it's a great way to avoid food waste. So let's try one, shall we? They're absolutely fantastic. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.